Bathi Sundays are for lovers bese kusiba nathi ngoroyize nkosi. Anyways, my delivery from Shara Hair is here. Super excited. Let me go and get it so that we can see what's inside. Their packaging is cute, and this is what came through the mail. But song Shara. First item, a melting band. I also got a couple of hair installation and hair maintenance products. This is the girl of the moment. 28 inches of a bust down body wave glueless wig. I had to quickly rush to the studio for a face bit and installation because mumba medu munoenda hombe kana muyende kumba hati it is when it's very mediocre. They started with the face beat and Sana, I looked so good. I couldn't even believe ukuba yimlo. This is when they were putting the wig on and you would swear the hair is coming from my scalp only for you to realize that it's a glueless wig. That's how good Shara Hair is. Muri kuona here kuti ndinotarisika semunhu anova mubhaisikopo remubollywood. Invest in your beauty. Just because kuti abafazi zimbokodo does not mean that sokumele ubukeke njengedola laphakade. Nize nidlule nayithi abafana. Hi.